Hello everyone, how have you been? Hope that all of you doing well and having a really good time. Right now I am at bank of the river and I am came here to enjoy my quality time, and the weather is very pleasant. It is, and I am enjoying this natural beauty, especially in the morning time. I come here after taking my breakfast, and last night it has been raining. That's why the weather is neither hot or cold, and it is the comfortable atmosphere prevalent here. That's why I am came here. If I rotate my camera, then you can see the all around are greenery. It is very beautiful, and right now I am at the bank of a river. The river is calm and it is so beautiful. And when you at riverside area, that time you can understand at the morning time riverside area is so beautiful, and it is also provide good atmosphere, which is very important for us. If you when you feel down, that time you visit to riverside area, then you can feel comfortable. The reason behind is, uh, at this time the weather is calm and it is provide good atmosphere for every human. When you feel down, when you nervous, and river is also the medicine. Not river, nature is the medicine. When you close to nature, then you can understand. So I am born and got up in the village. That's why I know the importance of river. And most of the person in the village, they are living, only the main source is river. River is the source of fresh water, and it is used for our farming sector, for drinking. Right now so many places they are shortage of fresh water, but rivers is the only one source. And right now weather is mesmerizing, and it is mind blowing weather, and the sun is shining and I feel comfortable. That's why I am came here. And this type of place also inspire me to making a video, because in this area no one has right now, and I am alone, and this is the perfect place for making a video. And I am inspired by nature. And if I rotate my camera, then you can understand the sun is shining, river is calm, people are across the river through the floating raft. And this is actually, this is the life they are struggle for living it. And you can see behind me the cows are crossing the river, and people came here for livelihood. And the atmosphere is very pleasant. And also bleaching, also the bleaching air flowing right now, and when it touches my heart, then I feel comfortable. And then I feel that this is the beauty of nature, this is the beauty of village. Today weather is mesmerizing, it is mind blowing weather, and I am enjoying it. And if you are lover of nature, then you can make a video, go to the nature and make video to improve your speaking English. And I am came here to enjoy my quality time, and I am also making a video for speaking English. So today in here, see you on next video. Tata, bye.